Hi, and welcome to the Smartboard demo. You're going to see a brief introduction to the Smartboard, an interactive whiteboard that combines the power of a computer with the simplicity of a whiteboard. It's manufactured by Smart Technologies, the industry pioneer and market leader in interactive whiteboards. I'm going to tell you briefly how it works and then go over the three central features: touching, writing, and saving. The Smartboard is connected to a computer, and then we're using a digital projector to display the computer image onto the board. With the Smartboard, you can not only display your computer desktop, but also control your computer directly from the board. How do you do this? Through touch. The board surface is touch sensitive, and so when you touch the board, your finger acts the same way as a mouse click on your computer. You can control any application that you have on the computer simply by touching the board and using your finger as a mouse. You can navigate through websites or use spreadsheets. For example, I'll open Excel. As you can see, anything that you have on the computer can be controlled through touch. In addition to giving you touch control of your computer applications, the Smartboard also acts as a whiteboard because of its second main feature, writing. You can pick up a pen and write on the board, and write over top of any application. You can erase what you've written, just as you'd erase information on a regular whiteboard. This is just a basic eraser. There are no special tools needed to write or erase on the Smartboard because it's the pen tray that senses when you selected a tool. For example, when I pick up the red pen, my next contact with the board is in red pen, whether I use the pen or my finger. And when I pick up the eraser, the next touch erases the ink, again, whether I use the eraser or I use my finger. To take notes, just as you would at a regular whiteboard, you can use Smart Notebook, an application that comes with the Smartboard. Now, in Notebook, you can draw diagrams or write notes. Unlike a regular whiteboard, with the Smartboard, you have unlimited whiteboard space. Thumbnail images along the side help keep track of all your pages, so you can reorganize your notes or move notes between pages. With a regular whiteboard, someone would eventually have to recopy all this work, but with the Smartboard, you have the third main feature, saving. All of your notes can be saved in a notebook file so you can access them later, and then you can print or email them to distribute the notes to other people, or you can post them to a website. You can also save notes you've written over other applications. If we go back to Excel, for example, and highlight something in the spreadsheet, then we can save that note. Whenever you write over an application, a floating toolbar appears. You just press the camera button, and then when you return to Notebook, a screen capture of the Excel page has been saved, and your annotation is right there as well. So far, we've discussed basic touching, writing, and saving, but what if you're working in Excel and you don't want to write over the top of the spreadsheet? You want to change something within it. To make changes within the file, you'd use the Smart Keyboard. If you press the keyboard button on the pen tray, this on-screen keyboard appears. Now you can just press the keys on the keyboard and whatever you type in is inputted into your spreadsheet. The keyboard also has a handwriting option. You can simply write your note and your handwriting is converted to text. Then you can enter it in your application. Handwriting recognition is also integrated into Smart Notebook. So after you write notes, you have the option of converting them to text. So with the on-screen keyboard and handwriting recognition, you have additional options for working with your computer applications. Options that enhance the basic touch, write, and save functionality of the board. All of these features are possible through the Smartboard's unique combination of hardware and software. In terms of hardware, the board comes in various sizes, from a 47-inch diagonal to this 72-inch diagonal. They're available in three configurations: I'm using a front projection model. There are also rear projection smartboards and smartboards for plasma displays. Each smartboard model includes the touch-sensitive screen surface, the smart pen tray, and smartboard software. So no matter what system you choose, you have complete touch, write, and save capabilities.